Hi and welcome to the sit and reach tutorial. So what you'll need to do, since you're not in the lab and probably don't want to order anything specific equipment off the web, is build your own sit and reach box. So to do so, I've used a cardboard box and a couple of extra runners for the top. And the important components that you'll want is to make sure that this part is about or as close to a foot as possible, so the height from the floor to the top of the box. And then you'll want an overhang to be about 23 centimeters. So I've marked that here, I put some increments here. I'm also going to use my tape measure afterwards to actually measure out how far the slider bar gets. Similarly, I also have a little slider bar here, and so essentially what you're going to get your participant to do is sit with their feet flat against the box. From here, you're going to put the slider up and instruct them to, with both hands, evenly press and slide the bar along the top, along the measurement scale. So go ahead. Great. Okay, and again, that was awesome because it was one smooth motion and didn't have any extra little pushes or a single arm push ahead. And that's it. And so now I'll look at exactly where the bar gets slid to. I'll measure that. As I didn't have my tape measure laid out on the box, you can simply pull it out. Again, lay the tape flat, and then go from there. And then compare it to the standardized norms that you have in your reference sheets.